It is update time for Janis and the 440 and the 727 and the new drive shaft and the TTI ceramic coated 2-inch headers. That's right. I just fired this thing up and confirmed the transmission works. There's no leaks. Everything is, it seems to be okay for now. I've got a temporary ignition wired up and just over to the on-off switch, and I'm just jumping the solenoid for the starter. But yeah, it runs really good. I'm kind of speechless. I really don't even know what to say. It's been so much work on this thing. Such a long road with it, with 2 camshafts in this 440. That took up a month and a half of my life I'll never get back. But it is with full roller cam now and rockers that I won't look back on that. So, yeah, I guess without further ado, let's start this thing up. My lovely assistant is here, and she's got her hearing protection on, like I don't. So, alright, get off my filthy jacket. Alright, where's the key? The key, oh, it's over here. The key. Alright, switch it on. On. Start it. There we have it. We already confirmed it shifted through the gears, but that should have confirmed it shifted through the gears again. And yeah, there's no leaks. No leaks. That's what I'm really excited about too. So yeah, I did convert to electronic for the ignition instead of the old points that came in this car. And I'm going with the newer style voltage regulator and the square back alternator. This is my own fuel system. It's 1/2-inch line from the tank, and it comes 3/8 out of the pump. These are all AN fittings. That is a Volkswagen fuel filter. Yeah, better to be on the safe side with size on that, but those work great. It's actually it's a 84 Rabbit style CIS fuel filter. They work really good, and right into the carb like so. Yeah, so the plug wires are pretty much done. They'll be a little more tucked out of the way once we get going and get the wiring done, get the charging system. I don't even know which direction to go yet on this thing. Getting the chassis done like this is, now I want to drive it. I want to get this thing on the ground, and I want to feel that second gear shift and third gear shift. And it's a little risky to do in this state, but I think where I live, I could probably get away with it. Take up the gravel. As you can see, it is now November. And yeah, it's cold, it's crummy. But think of where we were a year ago, last November. And the car's come a long ways. I am so excited to get this thing completed now. I just can't. Can't get impatient. Got to just stay the course and keep doing good quality work. And I'll end up with a really nice 69 Dodge Charger. Alright, so that's the update. I have been flying. Just haven't been doing much for videos. I will be. I have time now. Yeah, I'll sleep a lot better knowing my tranny works and everything is as it should be and not leaking. So, thanks for watching. And thanks for the comments. And thanks for the support for you guys who are so much more into model planes in the RC flying. It you know, it's a big part of my life that I'm documenting as well on this car. But not to worry, I have been flying. I'm just not making videos of everything I go out and fly. So thanks for watching.